Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta steering pulling issues and outlines commonly documented situations where the vehicle may drift or pull to one side while driving. Steering pulling in a Ford Fiesta can be noticeable at steady speeds on straight roads or during light braking, and the severity can range from mild correction needed at the steering wheel to a more consistent directional pull. The way this issue presents can vary by model year, mileage, road conditions, and maintenance history. In general, steering pulling in the Ford Fiesta may be associated with wheel alignment deviations, which can develop over time due to regular driving on uneven roads or after suspension or tire service. Uneven tire wear or differences in tire pressure from side to side may also be a contributing factor, as these conditions can influence how the vehicle tracks on the road. Some versions may experience steering pull related to suspension component wear, such as bushings or joints losing consistency, while older generations may show changes in steering behavior after extended use. Another potential contributing factor could be brake-related drag on one wheel, which may indicate uneven braking force rather than a steering system fault. These possibilities do not apply to every model or year. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible approaches to address steering pulling generally include checking and correcting wheel alignment, verifying tire pressure and tread condition, and inspecting suspension and steering components for wear. Brake inspection may also be part of the evaluation to rule out uneven resistance. These steps are general guidance and may not resolve every situation. When reviewed across different Ford Fiesta generations, steering pull behavior tends to be influenced more by maintenance condition and road usage than by a single universal defect. Vehicles that receive regular alignment and tire checks may show fewer symptoms, while neglected components can gradually worsen the issue. In conclusion, a Ford Fiesta pulling to one side can have multiple potential causes, and the exact reason depends on the individual vehicle, its generation, and service history. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.